Good day, residents of Nairobi's finest neighborhoods, Karen, Muthaiga, Loresho, Lavington, Runda, Kilimani, and Kileleshwa. If you've been opening your electricity bills with a sense of dread, wondering why the numbers keep climbing despite living in these prestigious upmarket areas, you're not alone. Today, I'll explain why your bills are so high and why savvy homeowners in these luxury suburbs are turning to PowerAfricaSolar.com to slash or even eliminate their electricity costs with premium solar systems. Let's dive in. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why are electricity bills in places like Karen or Runda so shockingly high? It's simple. Luxury mansions in these areas are designed for comfort and grandeur. You've got sprawling estates, air conditioning units running round the clock, heated pools, home theaters, and high-end appliances that demand serious power. These energy-hungry lifestyles naturally lead to higher consumption. Add to that Kenya Power's tiered billing system, where heavy users pay premium rates per unit. And it's no surprise your bill feels like a mortgage payment. But that's not all. Upmarket areas often face inconsistent power supply, frequent outages, or voltage fluctuations that force reliance on backup generators, which are costly to run. Plus, Kenya's rising electricity tariffs, driven by fuel costs and inflation, hit high-consumption households the hardest. For a family in Muthaiga or Kileleshwa, this means thousands of shillings extra every month. Money that could be better spent on holidays, investments, or your children's future. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to live with these skyrocketing bills. Homeowners in Nairobi's elite suburbs are taking control by switching to solar energy with PowerAfricaSolar.com. Why solar? Because it's a one-time investment that delivers free, clean energy from the sun for decades. Kenya's abundant sunshine makes it a no-brainer. Your luxury mansion can harness this power to run everything from your chandeliers to your electric gate, all while cutting your bills to near zero. PowerAfricaSolar.com specializes in premium solar systems tailored for high-end homes. These aren't just any solar panels. They're state-of-the-art, efficient, and designed to blend seamlessly with the aesthetics of your Lavington or Runda mansion. With advanced battery storage, you'll have power even during outages, ensuring your lifestyle stays uninterrupted. Imagine hosting a dinner party in Kilimani without worrying about a blackout or a hefty bill afterward. That's the freedom solar brings. Why are upscale homeowners choosing PowerAfricaSolar.com? Because they're the trusted experts in Kenya's solar revolution. With offices in Nairobi and Kisumu, they offer personalized consultations, top-tier installations, and ongoing support to ensure your system performs flawlessly. Their premium solar solutions are built for durability and efficiency, backed by warranties that give you peace of mind. Whether you're in Loresho or Karen, their team understands the unique energy needs of luxury homes and delivers customized systems that match your status. Plus, going solar isn't just about saving money. It's about investing in a sustainable future. You'll reduce your carbon footprint, increase your property's value, and join a growing community of forward-thinking homeowners in Nairobi's finest neighborhoods who are saying goodbye to Kenya Power's bills. So, why keep paying those outrageous electricity bills when you can take control with PowerAfricaSolar.com? Join the solar revolution sweeping through Karen, Muthaiga, Lavington, and beyond. Contact Power Africa Solar today to schedule a consultation and see how a premium solar system can transform your luxury mansion into an energy-independent masterpiece. Call their Nairobi office at 079-224-7397 their Kisumu office at 079-224-5589, or email info@powerafricasolar.com. Don't wait. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. powerafricasolar.com. Powering Nairobi's elite, one mansion at a time.